Hey guys! Promoting Temu links for free is pretty easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you need to open the Temu app on your mobile device. After you are logged in to your account, tap on the search bar and then search for affiliate program. Now select an item from the search results. After that, tap on the share icon from the top right corner. From here, tap on copy link. After that, close your Temu app and then open your Facebook app on your mobile device and tap on the messenger icon from the top right corner. After you are in your messenger inbox, you need to open a chat and then simply paste the link that you have copied before on Temu. And that is how you promote Temu links for free.